money on Instagram? Instagram is a force to be reconnect with. According to the latest Instagram statistics, the platform has 1.704 billion users worldwide. While it got its starts as a photo sharing app, it's transformed into a business platform. Millions of entrepreneurs are taking advantage from its spelling power, from service providers to non-profits to drop shipping e-commerce business owners. You may be asking yourself, how do people make money on Instagram? Can I pull it off myself? How is selling on Instagram different from other type of e-commerce business? In this article, we look at a few tactics you can starting using today so you can join the rank of successful entrepreneurs who earn money from Instagram. Our Instagram course help you build your Instagram account from scratch, give you more audience and content they want to see and get sales. Can you make money on Instagram? Absolutely. As long as you have some beautiful and creative image to use, you can spark the attention of Instagram millions of users. Now you might be thinking, right, I get that it's possible, but now the heck do I start? To start, here are few ways you can make money on Instagram. Focus on sponsored posts for brands that wants to reach your audience, making you the perfect medium to do that. Become an affiliate and earn money by selling products that belong to other brands. Offer to be a virtual assistant for our Instagram influencer. A lot of them are seeking help to get things off their plate. Write captions for business without in-house content staff. Sale on Instagram, you can sell either a physical or digital product or even a service, sell your photography. The enthusiasts of the platform are always looking out for a new ways to earn money from Instagram. Don't worry, we'll unravel the mysteries of this whole process in detail along with some success stories from Instagram. How to make money on Instagram? Instagram is ideal for selling products that photograph well. If you have some photography skills, you will have a huge advantage for the platform. Bonus point: if you are photogenic yourself and want to bring some extra life to your product photography, don't have a camera, learn how to make stunning photos with your phone with our product photography course. Nothing is going to stop you earn money from the photo and video sharing app. Here are 7 business models to make money on Instagram. Become an influencer and make money from sponsored posts. If you can reach quoted influencer status, you can use your Instagram profile to promote all kind of products from all kind of brands. If you are not familiar, an influencer is someone who has built a reputation and loyal following by sharing regularly on their social account. They have a good following and they are able to convince their audience to jump onto trends and buy certain products. They have this power because they have spent a lot of time building trust and relationship with their audience. Second, become an affiliate and make money selling other people's products. You can sell other people's products and get a cut. There are loads of people who make money from Instagram through affiliate program. The difference between an influencer and an affiliate is that an affiliate is working toward making sales for the partnering brand in exchange for a commission. On the other hand, the influencer is mainly aiming to create awareness. If you are only interested in getting exposure of your brand, you might want to go through these brand awareness tips to gain traction. Affiliate makes money through a trackable link or a promo code to make sure that you know exactly which sales come directly from your post. Become a virtual assistant to an influencer. If you are rather work behind the scenes, consider becoming an assistant to an Instagram influencer. Many influencers out there need help with filtering sponsorship requests, running ads, identifying fake followers, and more. You can offer to be there via and charge by the hour for your service. As an Instagram influencer, via you will be accountable for lots of things such as managing DMs, scheduling, posting, and replying to comments. Also, the influencer may ask you to share content ideas for growing their personal brand. Share Instagram caption services. Many small business owners use Instagram to promote their goods and services, but only a few of them have the resources or expertise to write good Instagram caption. If you are good at coming up with creative Instagram caption, you can sell your service to these companies. You just remember they'll judge your by your ability to write engaging short by form copy. To get the attention of business owner, write the put up some captions on your own account, then include the ones that generates you most engagement in your portfolio. Sale, poster, photos, and other visual products. Instagram is all about the visuals. That's why beautiful products and photos will get more sales. You can sell poster, photos, paintings, drawing, animations, videos, and other imagine or video based visual products. On each post, include an interesting caption and refer readers to visit the link in bio. This is another popular way that the people make money from Instagram. Sell your own physical product. You can sell any physical product that you make yourself or buying from suppliers. The conventional e-commerce retailing usually requires stocking some inventory, meaning you need to be spend some startup capital to buy your products.